Imagine this. You spent months searching for the perfect home. You finally find the one. You beat out 3 other offers. Your bid's accepted and you're officially in escrow. You've already started picking out paint colors and mapping out where the couch is gonna go. You went with a big online lender because they quoted you a rate that was 1/8% lower than anyone else. You thought you'd scored a massive win. But then, 2 weeks into a 30-day escrow, your phone rings. It's the online lender. They've hit a snag. They don't understand the local HOA rules, or they just realized that the condo isn't on their approved list. Suddenly, that guaranteed low rate comes in thousands of unexpected fees, or worse. They tell you they can't fund the loan at all. In a matter of minutes, your dream home is gone. Your earnest money might be at risk, and you're back to square one. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Larry Fleischman. I'm your Southern California real estate broker, and I help people navigate the exciting and sometimes chaotic world of buying a home. Now, before we go any further, I have to give you a quick disclaimer. I'm not a mortgage lender. I don't play one on TV, and I certainly don't play one in real life. But what I do have is years of experience in the trenches of real estate. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly of home financing. And today I want to share a story with you about why choosing a local lender over a faceless online corporation might be the most important decision that you make in your home buying journey. Let me tell you about a situation that I see happen far too often. A client comes to me pre-approved by a massive bank or even an online .com lender. They're thrilled because that rate looks fantastic on paper. We go out, we find a great property. As an example, it's a beautiful condo in a popular local condo development. We get into escrow. Everything seems fine. But here's the secret that the online algorithms don't tell you. Real estate is hyper-local. That online loan officer sitting in a cubicle 3 states away doesn't know our community. They don't know that this specific condo complex has a high percentage of renters, making it non-warrantable for certain types of loans. They don't know which local properties are FHA approved and which ones aren't. So what happens? The online lender gets 2 weeks into the underwriting process and suddenly, bam, they hit a brick wall. They realize they didn't account for the local nuance. To fix it, they either have to jack up on the interest rate, tack on unexpected fees, or, and this is the real heartbreaker, they simply deny the loan. There's absolutely nothing worse than getting 2 weeks into escrow and having your heart just set on a home, finding out you don't have a loan. It's devastating. Now, contrast that with a local lender. A local lender lives here. They work here. When I call my go-to local lenders and say, hey, my client's looking at a unit in the Mariposa community, they instantly know the community. They know the HOA. They know exactly what kind of loan will work there and what won't. They're not just quoting a rate to get you on the hook. They're structuring a loan that will actually work for you and actually close. The other massive difference? Accountability. You know, if an online lender drops the ball, you're just a file number in a call center queue. You'll spend hours on hold trying to get an answer. But a local lender? Look, their reputation in this community is everything. They rely on referrals from realtors like me and happy clients like you. If there's a hiccup on a Friday afternoon, I can pick up my cell phone, call my local lender directly, and we figure it out together. They see the purchase through to the very end. They do what's necessary to help their clients because they're our neighbors. Look, I get it. I get the appeal of clicking a button and seeing a low rate pop up on your screen. But a low rate means absolutely diddly squat if the loan doesn't close. Over the years, I've built a network of local lenders who I know, who I trust, and who are absolute experts in our market. If you're thinking about buying a home and you want to make sure your financing is rock solid from day one, reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to refer you to local professionals who will take great care of you. Look, just send me a comment, or you can find all my contact info in the link right in the description below. Let's get you a team that actually knows the neighborhood. And if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more real estate tips and local market updates. I'm Larry Fleischman, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching, and remember, for all things real estate, sell or buy, Larry's your guy.